friends, today we will learn how to paint in laptop. First, we have to click on start button. Then we have to type here paint, P-A-I-N-T, paint. Okay. This is the paint window. This is the paint window. This is the drawing area. Now I am going to draw a star. Okay, see. This is the star. Our star is ready. Now we have to color this star. First, we have to click on fill with color tool. Then we have to choose any color from this colors group. Okay, I will choose blue color. Our star is ready. Now I am going to draw a kite. First, we have to choose the diamond. Then we have to drag it. Hold down the left. Hold down. Sorry, it is wrong. I will cut it. I will choose the black color. Now I am drawing. Then I choose the triangle tool. I think it is right. I am going to draw a triangle. Now I have to give here a straight line. It is not straight line. Then I have to give here some straight line. We have to hold down the shift key. And drag the line. Then again done. Our kite is ready. Now we have to color this. We have to click on fill with color tool and then choose any color. I will choose the green color, blue color, red color and yellow color, and I will choose lavender color. Then I can give color here also. I will choose this color. It is okay. Our drawing is ready. I will show you one more thing, that is I have drawn something wrong. We have to press the delete key or Control Z. Now I'll show you how to save this. we have to press on Ctrl S. We can save this in documents. Now I have to give a file name. The file name is star, STAR, star. Then we have to click on save. Our drawing is saved. Thank you.